messieurs les hauts commissaires, honorables invités, l'Afrique qui gagne, l'Afrique présente en elle, l'Afrique consciente des défis du développement, cette Afrique-là prépare la relève. Elle prépare la relève avec sa jeunesse. Elle prépare la relève avec sa coopération avec l'Inde. L'Afrique qui a eu à ses côtés le grand continent, le grand sous-continent indien. Depuis toujours, ce sous-continent est toujours aux côtés de l'Afrique dans la formation, dans le renforcement des capacités des cadres. La jeunesse de l'Afrique est présente en Inde. L'association des étudiants africains en Inde est parmi nous ce soir pour relever le défi du développement. Association of African Students in India, ASI. Et le président de cette association, pour montrer la disponibilité de l'Afrique, de la jeunesse africaine à part le relève du développement, ce président est là, M. Okito Christophe, qui va vous dire son message, le message de l'engagement de la jeunesse africaine. M. Okito.
Good evening, everybody. Your Excellency François Balumene, the Ambassador of the Republic Democratic of Congo in India, and the Dean of the African Head of Missions, Your Excellencies, Ambassadors and High Commissioners, Member of our Diplomatic Corps, Honorable guests, African students, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'm honored as a privilege as the President of the Association of African Students in India to take the floor on this auspicious occasion to celebrate the anniversary of the African Union and to share the African student vision with you. As you were, the Association of African Students in India is a non-profit organization, non-political organization and non-religious organization which started in 1961 by the late President of Malawi, His Excellency Prof. Bingu wa Mutharika, who was the student at the Shriram College of Commerce, University of Delhi. Your Excellency, we African students in India are proud to inform to you that we have achieved one of the difficult challenges of our mission, which is to unite all African students in India as a family. We have the power to make the best generation of the mankind in history of Africa. And we do believe that when there is no enemy within, the enemy outside cannot harm us. For the first time in history of India, African students are united as a family by putting aside our differences, our religions, our politics, and by facilitating a critical reflection on the issues of building around the issue of attaining high education and the development of Africa. Your Excellency, we are appreciative the way of African diplomats in India assisting and encouraging us through our studies. Once again, we are using this opportunity to let you know that African students are still facing many problems which is related to visa. Mostly, we have reported the problem in Bangalore. More than 300 students in Bangalore could not renew their visa without any reason. Your Excellency, on behalf of the Association of African Students in India, I would like to thank you once again for your kindness, your consideration. Today, we have a thanks to all the ambassadors, to all the high commissioners for allowing us stand in front of you to present our certificate of the acknowledgement. May I request to the Dean, the Ambassador of the Democratic Republic of Congo, to forward and present the certificates to the following embassies and high commissioners: Burkina Faso for supporting the Association of African Students in India, the Embassy of Ethiopia for supporting us, for giving us the address and the venue, the Malawi High Commission for supporting us financially, Mauritius High Commission, and Somalia. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Association of African Students in India, I would like to thank you, all of you. God bless Africa. Thank you.
To serve others by uniting all African students in India and by facilitating critical reflection and consensus building around issues affecting higher education and the development of Africa. Association of African Students in India presents our goal in coordination to Mr. Okito Kongo, the President of the Association from Congo. The next gold recognition goes to Mr. Mbaya from Congo. The third gold recognition goes to Mr. Mohammed, the Embassy and High Commission coordinator from Somalia.
Yes, please, Ambassador.
The first bronze recognition was to Miss Diabate Amimati from Ivory Coast. She's the vice president of the session.
Madam, come.
The next bronze recognition goes to Mr. Osuko Ebenezer. The next bronze recognition goes to Mr. Ferris Oko, Acting Secretary General from Nigeria. The next bronze recognition goes to
Yes, please.
Char Apeso and Social Network Coordinator from Nigeria. The next bronze recognition goes to Emmanuel Oshombajo, International and External Communication Coordinator from Nigeria. The next recognition goes to Pedro Michael, the Treasurer from Congo. The next bronze recognition goes to Ms. Isla Ogieva from Nigeria. She is the Deputy Treasurer.
कितने हैं? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Secretary West, Minister of External Affairs, the Dean of the Diplomatic Corps, Dean of the African Group, Deputy Dean of the African Group, all invited guests, Excellencies, High Commissioners and Ambassadors, good evening and welcome to this event. My job is simple, just to give a vote of thanks. To thank all those who have made our program successful. Let me start, Your Excellency, by thanking you, our chief guest, for sharing with us the perspective, in-depth perspective of the cooperation between India and Africa. We are very hopeful that this cooperation will take us a long way in developing our two countries. Thank you so much. I also thank you for accepting our invitation to come and grace this event. Your presence has added flavor to our celebration of the 51st anniversary of the AU. Let me again thank our Dean for an elaborate speech he has given today, which has given the vision of African development in future. The world has heard, the African people have been given hope, because the message from AU, which was delivered by our sister, was so elaborate, was so informative, and was giving a lot of hope to the development of our continent. Thank you, Your Excellency Janet, for so eloquently presenting the message from the President of the AU. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we also heard some remarks from the students, our African students. We need to encourage them to continue with their association. We need to support them. Of course, they have stated some few challenges which are facing them. I hope the Dean has taken note of that. And for those which need intervention in his office, I'm sure the Dean will be helpful in assisting them. The Dean and of course all of us, the ambassadors and the High Commissioners of Africa. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I will not be doing justice if we don't recognize the tremendous effort of all those who made this event a success. There are so many, I can't mention them all. But it suffices to say that thank you very much for your effort. This day has been successful because of you, and we congratulate you for the energy and effort you have input into this day. Last but not least, let me thank you all who have decided to come and participate in this event. Without you, this event wouldn't have happened, or wouldn't have been successful or colorful as it is today. We thank you for accepting to come, and in these few words, I now wish to invite you to enjoy the African entertainment which we have prepared for you this evening. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Shukriya. Asante sana.
We are almost coming to the end of the program. It is now group photo for the High Commissioners and ambassadors. We call upon all the ambassadors and High Commissioners to come in front, please, for a group photo for the 51st Africa Day. Ambassadors and High Commissioners.
Yes, please. एक मिनट वो
Is done, please stay put. There is a small 1-minute program from the Times of Africa. And the students have also requested that they take a photo with you, so we may request the students to be ready just next year. Students?
Excellence, Mesdames et Messieurs les ambassadeurs, vous devez rester sur place. Vous devez rester sur place, please. Stay there, please. For time.
For the development of this continent, Africa. They are the ones who exemplify the progress that we are seeing in Africa. The Times of Africa Excellence Certificate is an international tribute for the African and Indian diaspora to treasure and commemorate their outstanding contribution to the augmentation of Africa and India relations. It is aimed at celebrating persons who have bestowed most effectively and efficiently to the development of the booming ties between Africa and India. Thank you.
The Dean
Yes, please, madam.
gives the gift, a memento
Yes, please, Excellency.
to the chief guest.
Ambassador. Ambassador. Take first picture. Yes. एक मिनट
next is the food is being served. Continental food and the African food. Please go and enjoy. Those